Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute LOL doll cake topper. It's going to be a two-part video, so stay tuned for the next part. I hope you enjoy. Thanks. What we need for today is some Rice Krispie treats, gum paste, some teal colored fondant or gum paste, and some pink colored fondant or gum paste, and we're gonna make our skin color as well. We do need some glitter. That's one of the glitter series dolls, so they have blue glitter and pink glitter. And some fondant tools, and that's it. Let's get started. I'm going to start cutting a piece of Rice Krispie treats. I'm going to make the doll bigger than their life-size dolls, because I have one right here and it's pretty small, and we want to use it for a cake topper, so we're going to make it a little bigger. And remember, the head on these dolls is really big compared to the body, so we want the head to be the biggest part. So I'm cutting this shape pretty round, more like an oval, and then I'm going to use these pieces to make the body, which, like I said, is much smaller than the head. I have a wooden dowel, and we're going to use that to put the body, hold the body up, and then it's going to hold the head up, and it's going to need to go inside the cake, so we're going to leave it long. Okay. I have a little bit of gum paste here, dyed with some copper food coloring. I like to use the gel. And this doll has a little bit of a darker skin, so I'm going to add a little bit more copper. And mix it in. And a tiny, tiny little dab of brown. I'm going to cover half the face with this gum paste, light brown color. And smooth it out. Okay, I'm going to save this for a little bit later. Now we're going to work on the body. We need to dye enough fondant to make the hair and the shoes and the little shirt. Okay, put that to the side, and I am going to work on the hair. Her hair is on one side, it's very short, and on the other side, it's quite long. So I'm gonna stretch out a piece. So now we are going to work with pink. I have some light pink here. And for the cake topper, I'm going to have her sitting down. Her top part is very, very short, so we're not going to leave a lot of room for that. I'm going to use the tip of a piping tip to create the mermaid scales on this. Okay, so she has the texture of fish scales. And now we are going to take some of the skin color again and give her legs. We need arms and legs, so we will make sure and leave enough. You roll it a little bit and then flip over the front. It's shorter, smaller, thinner tip. And there we have 2 legs. So now we have to measure, and I'm going to mark. I don't have anything to mark. I don't have a pen handy, so I'm using that, but if you do, use it. Okay, so now I have my confectioner's glue. I'm going to grab a little bit and put some around here. Because she will be standing up, she's going to have her legs closed. So you want to cover the stick with the legs. See, I am stretching the fondant over the stick to make it meet in the middle. So they look like these. This part, it's a little trickier when you don't have time to let things dry. Normally, I would just let this dry overnight at least, or a couple of days, and then the legs would harden. So when you put the weight of the rest of the doll on top, it would not press on the legs. But for now, we're just gonna let them rest for a little bit. I'm gonna let everything rest, and we're going to work on the face. Okay, and for her face, we're going to start with the big eyes that they have. We're going to grab a little bit of the white gum paste. I'm going to make 2 balls the same size. That way we have even-sized eyes. Their eyes are humongous. So we have to keep making them bigger than what I think they should be. It's like almost half of her face is an eye. Okay, we have 2 eyes. Now we are going to paint the inside of her eyes, and that is blue, purplish blue. With a small brush, I'm going to mix a little bit of purple. I'm gonna add a teeny bit of white so that it's not so translucent. And I will start painting the eyes. Okay, now with an even thinner brush and black, we are going to draw on the eyelashes. Okay, so I have a little bit of pink mixed with a little bit of white mixed with a little bit of purple, and I have this really pretty lavender pink. So that's what I'm going to use for her skirt. So I'm going to grab this brush and I'm going to lightly the whole skirt. Well, starting with half of it because we don't want it to be super sticky while we're working on the other side. Okay, and I have this nice Okay guys, we will continue this LOL doll cake topper in part 2. So stay tuned for that video. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can enjoy more videos like this in the future. Thank you.